Now let's start on our second recipe, super pudding. For this recipe, I'll use evaporated milk, vegetable oil, whole or skim milk powder, and an instant pudding mix that makes 4 servings. Today I'll use chocolate flavor. I also have some fruit and nuts to use as toppings, but you can use whatever toppings you like. I'll use a can opener, a medium bowl, a hand mixer or whisk, a spatula, a spoon, and a set of measuring spoons to make my super pudding. And I'll need plastic wrap or an airtight container to store my pudding in the fridge. To start, add 1 can of evaporated milk to a medium bowl. Evaporated milk provides more calories and protein compared to whole cow's milk. I like to use my spatula to scrape the sides of the can to get all the milk into my bowl. Now add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil to the bowl with the evaporated milk. The oil gives you unsaturated fats and calories. You can also use canola oil, olive oil, grapeseed or flaxseed oil. Next, we'll measure 2 tablespoons of whole or skim milk powder and add it to the bowl. The milk powder adds extra protein and additional calories to our pudding. We can now add 1 package of chocolate-flavored instant pudding mix. But you can use any flavor you like. Try vanilla or pistachio flavor for some variety. Once you've added your 4 ingredients, use a hand mixer fitted with a whisk attachment or a whisk to combine everything. Whisk for about 2 minutes until all the powder has dissolved and everything is combined. Once your super pudding is whisked, cover the bowl with plastic wrap or a lid or transfer the pudding into an airtight container. Put the covered pudding in the fridge to set. Once your super pudding has set, it will look like this. Now it's time to add whatever toppings you'd like. You can add fresh or frozen fruit, nuts, or seeds. I'm going to add both today. It is filling and delicious. If you want more great ideas for higher calorie and protein meals and snacks, the team of dietitians at Alberta Health Services have recipes for you to try. Find them at ahs.ca/recipes. For more great recipes from dietitians, sign up for a South Health Campus Wellness Kitchen class at ahs.ca/shc wellness. Cheers to tasty food, healthy cooking, and good health.
Together, we do amazing things every day.